Hi Librans, this is your December 2020 reading. I'm going to look at the energies that are around you, that will surround you in the month of December, how this month is looking regarding your energies. So, I'll be talking about the general life, I will talk about the career, and I will talk about the love and relationship aspect of your life. I will connect all the three things and I will give you an outcome. I will also look at the Gypsy's Oracle, one card I took out from the Lenormand, that will give you the overall view of the month of December. What exactly is going to happen or what could be the highlight. So before I go to Lenormand or before I go to your career or love reading specifically, let's talk about the general energies. The general energies are good, they look good. The first energy which I have got is the Knight of Pentacles and the Sun. So Knight of Pentacles is clarified by Sun, meaning you will land up in the month of December with some money which is coming in very slowly. Something which took a lot of time is going to come in with the Knight of Pentacles. It is going to a job or a money which was due to you is going to come to you. You will find yourself in joy and happiness. You will be celebrating with your loved ones. You will be having some recognition in life, or some of you might be recovering from an illness, so you will feel in good health. You will feel good health. So there is joy, happiness, good health, and some money coming in, some opportunity coming in when you start the month of December. You will, some of you who will not get this opportunity will be looking at a potential which is going to happen very soon. It is something which is sure shot, which is going to bring you success, which is going to, you are waiting for that letter, you are waiting for that communication, you are waiting for those goods to come in. You are in a very positive energy. The potential looks very, very good. This will take you to a situation of Six of Pentacles. This means help which you wanted to receive, the loan which you wanted to have in terms of your money, the thing which you were waiting for in love. Maybe your loved one is coming, or you will be giving someone some money. So the charity situation will happen. The balance in money is going to happen. Money situation will be all right. So this is what I see for you, and it is going to be very, very positive situation in this month. As you go forward, however, you will be very judicious about your money. You will be wanting to keep, because the money, why I am talking about money in general life is, or you got the cards, you got the cards of Pentacles. Pentacles means your material abundance, your money, your finances, your job. So it relates to that. So you will be wanting to keep a status quo. You might be getting a project, you will be working fiercely for that. You will be trying to safeguard yourself. You will not let go of the situation in any circumstances. But it is clarified by the Four of Swords. You will be asked to take a break. Some of you will be asked to take a break, or you will take a break. So some of you are actually getting into a break because of the holidays that are there by the end of the month. So during Christmas time or during Thanksgiving time, you are going to take some rest. So while you are resting, if you have any problems, you will be able to solve it, or it will solve itself. So there will be a rest, relaxation, meditation, recuperation time for you. You will be in good spirits. You will be thinking about your goals, your future for 2021, and you will be deciding in favor of not letting go of something. Could be a job, could be a family, could be a relationship which you will decide for. So you will be fiercely guarding your status quo. So that is what I see in your general life. As you go into your career, what I see in your career is some setback has taken place, or you are feeling unaccomplished. You are feeling boredom, or you are feeling stagnancy in your job or your livelihood or your business or whatever, you feel that things are not growing the way you wanted them to grow. But what's happening is, because of your boredom or inaction, you are not recognizing the offer which is coming in from somewhere. So keep your eyes open, don't be bored, don't be in an inactive state. The angels are telling you to have strength in these circumstances. So you are coming in with this energy in your career field. So, however, I saw the, Knight of Pentacles coming in. So when the Knight of Pentacles come in, till then, you have to have, you have to get out of this bored energy, get out of this stagnant energy, and have strength, courage and patience, which is important for you right now in the month of December. As you go forward, you will be quitting something old. However, I see you are clinging on to something, but in career, the transmutable stage, the transition state is coming. So there will be a transition or a Scorpio person around you. This Scorpio person could be a good person. This person could be, giving you an opportunity. So in favor of this person, you will decide Scorpio, or any other water sign, could be this, but specifically I see the Scorpio card. So someone will be affecting your job life in a good manner, actually, in your job field, or some of you could be quitting one job and going towards something new, because I see, as in this career, when you get the star card, this means you are going towards something new, and it is clarified by the Fool card. So you are going to take up some new opportunity, you are going to begin something. Some of you are launching a new business. You have got the protection and the blessings of God. You have the protection, blessings, and the divine will guide you towards it. So you will be automatically guided from a closed situation or a quit situation to a situation which will start happening for you through divine intervention. So you will be going unhindered, uninhibited, in an unhindered and uninhibited way towards something, and you will be taking steps or a leap of faith or a big leap towards something new in your career. So this is what I see in the month of December regarding your career. Regarding your love life, I see that situation of progress in love life is happening. Lot of interaction is happening with loved ones. You are going to have a ceremony, you are going to have a reunion with your loved ones, you are going to enjoy this situation. This Queen of Swords card is saying that because of your decisions, because of your proper judgment, you are going to have good times in your family. You are going to have nice times, progressive times in your family with your relatives and good friends. You are going to have maybe a marriage in your family. You are going to celebrate Christmas, you are going to celebrate the festivals. Someone or something in your family will upgrade your situation in the family. As you go forward, you will be laying down a new relationship with new friends. Lot of friends and family members will be collaborating with you. You are going to be in the High Priestess mode. This means that something, or you will take a decision with your gut feeling regarding some progress in the family. You might be visiting your relatives. There can be situation which will be which can have a secret connotation. So I see that in your love life there could be a secret love affair or something which is not revealed. There can be a third party for some of you Librans. So I see generally good things happening in your life, but with the Queen of Swords energy, I see you looking at a third party or some secret regarding your love life which is not revealed to you. So your guards will be up. You will be analyzing or logically thinking about this relationship. As you go forward, I see that an earth sign is connected with you. There will be a queen or a king of earth sign who will be around you. Earth means Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. You will have some link or some relationship with these people, or you will be embodying this spirit with your spouse. Both of you will be, practical energy of a partner. You will be the king and queen of practicality, practical and material things in life. You will enjoy the good things in life, enjoy what, it could be with a lover, but there can be a third party with a water sign, could be Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. So there can be, some worries in your love life. There can be some sleepless nights regarding love life. So, could be a third party, could be a new love, could be, a love, emotional blackmail, could be, some fights happening in the family, could be something, some disagreement can also happen, because I see worries. So this means, sometimes unnecessary worries. You are sometimes, falling into this trap, and because of your, cold energy, because of your, being too analytical or too judgmental, you start having fights regarding a certain situation which is unclear to you. So this can happen in your love life. So the final outcome I see in this month is that divine blessings are with you. Divine blessings are with you. But before I round up this reading, I'm going to talk about the Lenormand. I got a card from the Lenormand pack. This is a Gypsy's Oracle, very old one from the 18th century. So I will be talking about this card which has come out for you in the reverse. So it is the 14 card, it is the bear card, and it is the 9 of clubs card. So this has a certain message for you regarding your December. Overall December, how it is looking is that there could be, fights in the family because of your cold nature, because of your too analytical nature. That is your Libran nature. You try to find, justice or balance in a situation where it is not required. So there is a warning that you could have, fights with the family, could have fights with the partner, could have some fights. Not every day. I'm not saying that you will be having a big time fight. It could be that there can be a situation which can you know give rise to a fight. So in that situation, you have to take time out, you have to be alone, you have to take a break. So you need to, the bear card says that when you are alone, you are in good spirits, but when you are with lot of people, you start seeing the negatives or the positives, and you try to balance it out. So that is your nature. So what happens is fighting takes place, because not everybody is like you, not everybody is as balanced like you. So there can be fights happening, there can be some problems with people. So this card embodies that kind of spirit. This card also warns you that be careful about your financial affairs. You can have some, if you are not investing properly, you can see some distress or failures regarding money as well. So this card is just warning you to not be over trying to balance people, not to be in that mode. That is your Libran nature. So but you have to be less in that. So if someone is emotionally blackmailing you, someone is trying to extract something from you regarding money, you have to be careful. The divine blessing is here, the divine blessing is here. Star is guiding you. You are in this energy of being blessed. So you are blessed, you are in a good situation, you are in a good place, you are comfortable, you have your abundance, and some of you will be planning or prospecting to go to some distance. The bear card also, when in reverse, says that you could be worried about a relocation, or because of some shifting of a living space, you can have some problems, or you can have problems with people who are coming over at your place, or you are going to someone's place, so you can go through some discomfort. So this is the energy. So some of you might be going taking a travel, some of you will be thinking of a travel, some of you will be trying to buy or sell a house or a property, you will be prospecting. So because this is a prospecting card, so you will be deciding for either or. Some of you would be given a chance to take an opportunity somewhere else. From the place you are in, you will be asked to go somewhere, so you can be in a discomfort. So there can be this situation, but the potential of this card is this Two of Wands, is that you will have an opportunity, a good opportunity, a positive opportunity, a potential of some big conversion regarding money, regarding love, regarding, so it has a promise in the end. So star will guide you towards it to take a good decision, a new decision. So this is what I see in the outcome. So that's it from my side, Librans. I wish you all the best for the month of December. I'll be coming up with more readings, the next 10 days readings, which I keep doing for you all. I'll be doing that. So please like and subscribe if this reading has resonated for you, and share with other Librans, or tell them about my channel, because it will increase my viewership. If you give me support, I'll be able to churn out new things, new readings for you. And if you want a specific reading for yourself, if you want a personal reading for yourself, please leave a comment in the comment box. I will get back with a link, I will get back with my phone number or my email ID. So that's it from my side. Bye bye. Thank you.